Click subscribe for update video every day.
What do you even call this thing? AudioXperts 4TV model 2112 occupies a class so new that at DOESNT really haven't established name yet. Ultimately, the industry decided to embrace the name Soundbar instead of speaker bar. And we figured the same consensus will eventually come along for the products we now call speaker bases, sound platforms, and sound consoles as well. We're still crossing our fingers for sound pancakes, whatever you call them, of this type of product in the coming months. It is less likely, however, that you will come across very many designs as ambitious as the 4TV's. As we noted during the 4TV model 2112 is built like a tank. And although solid cabinet designs are often the hallmark of a well-performing speaker, it isn't a guarantee. Since the model 2112 demands a premium price, we demanded some premium performance from it across the board. Here's how it held up. If you were going to charge $1.500, originally $2,000, for a one-box audio system, you had better deliver a seriously confidence-inspiring out-of-box experience. Thankfully, AudioXperts manages to do just that. In fact, the in-box experience leaves an impression of its own on anyone who decides to tangle with it. Without some help, sure, 60 pounds, shipping weight, isn't a lot, but when spread out over the 2112's sprawling dimensions, it can put the hurt on you if you're not careful. When you pop open the 2112, you're greeted by a stout piece of board hiding yet another box. And beyond the flaps of the inner box's preponderance of non-degradable APE foam, chances are good that this speaker will arrive in pristine condition if passed through the hands of the good folks at FedEx or UPS. When you pull the 2112 from its protective cloth sack, it is immediately apparent where your money went. The glossy, smoked glass that sits atop an even glossier lacquered black cabinet gives the piece the look of fine furniture, not consumer electronics. The only downside is that this sort of finish is a magnet for dust and fingerprints. We recommend investing in a nice microfiber cleaning cloth and plan to clean thoroughly and clean often. The glossy, smoked glass that sits atop an even glossier lacquered black cabinet gives the piece the look of fine furniture. With such a gorgeous appearance, we had reservations about